Heating homes is not rocket science, but after 17 years in the field and a prior life as a nuclear power electrician, I have seen enough mumbo jumbo to fill a cooling tower. Today we are putting two heavyweights in the ring, the American Standard Silver 15 and the Maytag PSH4 BE. Both of these are ducted split heat pumps sitting in the basic category, which is the bread and butter of the industry. Basic just means they are built to work without a touchscreen on every component. First thing I look at when I walk up to a unit is the cabinet. The American Standard Silver 15 is built like a tank with a louvered steel panel. In the field, that is the gold standard for protecting fragile aluminum fins from hail, weed whackers, and neighborhood kids. The Maytag PSH4 B also brings a louvered steel panel to the fight. If your coil gets flattened, your efficiency goes out the window, so both brands get a nod for not using flimsy wire guards. When we crack the hood on efficiency, the American Standard pulls ahead with an HSPF 2 of 8.5, the Maytag PSH4 BE trails behind at 7.5. Both units use single-stage compressor and fan technology. They are either on or they are off. There are no fancy variable speeds here, and there is value in simplicity when technicians fix systems at 2 a.m. on a Tuesday. American Standard is a flagship brand owned by Trane Technologies, so you pay for the name The Dealer Network and the heritage. Maytag is a subsidiary brand under Nortec Global HVAC, which was recently purchased by Rheem Manufacturing, and often uses the same internal compressors and motors as the big names without the flagship markup. For the American Standard Silver 15, expect about $2,800 for the condenser, and a full system install averaging $8,500. The Maytag PSH4BE is more wallet-friendly at around $2,200 for equipment and $7,200 for a full install. Maintenance matters, so keep outdoor coils clear of cottonwood and debris, and change indoor filters every month. A dirty filter is the #1 killer of compressors. American Standard gives a 10-year parts and compressor warranty, but 0 years for a full unit replacement, and they are made in the USA. Maytag matches the 10-year parts and compressor warranty and adds a 10-year unit replacement pledge with most components sourced from Mexico. The verdict is the Maytag PSH4BE because value and that 10-year unit replacement warranty outweigh a slight efficiency edge for the American Standard. You get the same cabinet protection, single-stage reliability, and over 1,000 pounds less on total install, plus the mic drop of unit replacement. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC Dash for dashbanners.com.